Well, hey there, it's Jen.
And Elke, welcome back to the Jen and Elke Show, where we help you make money with print on demand because we talk about marketing and strategy so that you can be smart and work smarter, not harder. And today is again one of these videos that is going to help you be smarter about selling products in Q4. If you don't know what Q4 means, it's the last quarter of the year, which is October, November, December. And guess what? During that time, it's the Black Friday, Cyber Monday holiday sales. And yes, it is a very lucrative time on the any online space that people are just buying like absolute nut jobs. They're just like so focused on, I need this. And so because of that, we want to be ready as sellers, whether you're on print on demand with Etsy or Shopify. But we love the Zazzle platform, especially because there's a lot of really cool holiday items that you can make for the holidays, that sell during the holidays. And we're going to get into those right in this video. But just so you know, we're doing this recording a little earlier, but it'll be released in August. And yes, that's when you start. Don't start any later. Do it now and make sure that you get those products up and running in your store so that your products can integrate into the Zazzle search engine and on Google, and also pin that to Pinterest to make sure that you can get in on this market because it's highly competitive. People start early, just like you are going to do. And so now let's get into which products you should make.
Yes, and just really quickly, don't be like me. I've said this a couple times in some of the excuse me, in some of our videos, but I posted holiday products like invitations and holiday cards for sale pretty much the same week that Christmas happened. And so I was really saddened and disappointed in myself that I didn't make any sales, but I didn't even think about the fact that I needed to post them obviously much earlier because people need to buy them and ship them and, hand them to their friends and family. And so people start, and it's proven that people start looking for stuff in the summer for the holiday season, and people post products for sale for the holiday season in the summertime. So although, summer is, amongst us, and you're probably with, I want to enjoy the weather or have holidays, this is your time to take some time out of your day to create holiday products. And we are on the Zazzle website. This is just zazzle.com/holiday. And this might be updated, at the time of when you're watching this. It might change a little bit or whatnot, but it's the holiday landing page for Zazzle. And it gives you kind of a breakdown of some of the popular products that are selling on Zazzle, product types, not specifically designs, but Christmas cards, ornaments, holiday and Christmas decor. Then we have holiday wrapping paper. And then we've got some other keywords that are associated with some things here. But this is the popular sort. You can see that we have some of them are a little bit, interesting in terms of why they're in the sort here. But we have address labels, and we have pillows, like products for a gift. Then obviously the holiday cards, wrapping paper and stickers. And then we have, let's see if we can find another type of product here. Sometimes these holiday products, you're thinking, well, how is this a holiday product? I guess the word holiday kind of, because it's the flip-flops and sandals, but you can give this as a gift for somebody for the holiday season. You don't have to think of it just being all the stationery items. There's products that are on Zazzle that are also given as gifts. Then we have ornaments and address labels, then binders for recipes, and or photos, right? And then we've got a t-shirt there. Then we have the gift tags. Like, there's so many things on Zazzle that are holiday themed related. And also, just quickly, because some of these products here aren't really even showcasing it, we've got Christmas ornaments that sell like hotcakes on the Zazzle platform. And there are so many different shapes and sizes and different materials of ornaments that you can play around with and design. And each ornament, obviously, you can get into different niches, like, for example, baby's first Christmas, or newlyweds, or pets, or kids, and grandparents and family members. And then it wasn't showcased here, but we're going to do, there's snow globes on Zazzle, which is a fun one too. And they feature a photo in the middle, and you can put text on. And then we also have, there are the stockings here. stockings. Or maybe they don't have them. Do they still have them? They should still have them. Yes, there we go. They just had stocking stuffer would be one of the main words here. You can see that they have different types and shapes as well for different forms of stockings, which is quite fun. So you can make stockings individualized for your products as well.
And,
what other product do we want to showcase?
Check to see if the tree skirts are still around.
Tree skirts, yeah.
Yep, there we go.
We have tree skirts. Very fun. Patterns and different monograms. And when it comes to monograms, please don't copy. Make your own monogram with your own letter and your own name, because it's not very fair to people who came up with the original ones like Elke and people copied. But tree skirts have different patterns on them. And what else do we have for the holiday stuff? Oh, I'm thinking about, for example, just even this here, like where it's actually even catering to like certain events. We've got the cutting boards, which is kind of neat, where, you know, when you're having people over for like a charcuterie board or something like that, then you can make cutting boards too for the holiday season for having people over.
Yeah. And a lot of people like to make wine and give it out as gifts. Yeah. And so there's labels for all different types of bottles of like champagne and like mini bottles, wine bottles. It's awesome.
Yeah. So there's lots of little products there that you can play around with for the holiday season. And it's exciting. There's so many opportunities. People just think of holidays being the holiday cards, but there's, like we said, gift tags and wrapping paper and gift bags and ornaments and the tree skirts and the stockings and address labels. There's so many things that are all other products other than the holiday cards that you can create for the holiday season.
So go ahead and make some products, promise us. And if you haven't even started on Zazzle, or you're having trouble because you're selling on Zazzle or you've got a store but you're not selling at all, please use the course that we have with the link in the description below, because it's going to help you figure out what's the issue as to why you're not selling. Or if you want to start, definitely get that, because it'll just tell you in 30 minutes, you'll get walked through exactly what to do. You'll have everything up and running. And then you will know exactly what you need to do in order to start successfully on the Zazzle platform and start posting products and designs that you can sell.
Yes. So the link is in the description below. Make sure you check it out, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.